Hey guys, today we're diving into a problem many iPhone users face. Have you ever wanted to sign out of your Apple ID, but suddenly realized that you don't remember the password? Don't worry. I'll walk you through 3 safe and effective methods to remove Apple ID without password. The first and official method is to try resetting your Apple ID password through Apple's iForgot service. Apple will ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your account, you might get a code sent to your trusted phone number or email address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification. Once verified, create a new password for your Apple ID. This is the safest and easiest way to handle a forgotten Apple ID password situation, but it only works if you can verify ownership. Sometimes you can't reset your Apple ID because you don't have the verification phone number or email anymore. That's when FoneTool Unlocker comes in handy. It's a professional iPhone unlocking tool that allows you to delete Apple ID without password and regain full control of your device. Click Remove Apple ID. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. FoneTool Unlocker will detect your device model and iOS version. Before continuing, FoneTool will give you reminders. For example, if Find My iPhone is turned off, FoneTool can remove Apple ID without erasing your data. Click Remove Now to begin the process. During the removal, the software may ask you to set a temporary backup password, such as 1234, just for security purposes. Enter it, confirm, and proceed. Once everything is confirmed, FoneTool Unlocker will begin removing the Apple ID from your iPhone. The process usually takes just a few minutes. During this process, keep your iPhone connected to your computer. Let me speed up the process. When the process is complete, your iPhone will restart. After rebooting, the Apple ID will be completely removed. You can set up your iPhone as if it's brand new. Now you can log in with a new Apple ID or do not log in to Apple ID temporarily, and your iPhone will work without restrictions. If you're looking for a quick way to remove Apple ID without password, this is the most reliable option. If your iPhone has Find My iPhone enabled and is connected to the internet, you can remove it from the iCloud account remotely. On a computer or phone, go to iCloud Web or Find. Log in with the Apple ID that's linked to the iPhone. Select the device from the list on the map. Click Erase iPhone to wipe the device. This will delete all content and settings. After the device has been erased, select Remove from Account. And that's it. 3 reliable ways to reset or remove an Apple ID on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.